Hey everyone, it's Katie from Safewise, and today we're talking motion sensors. Motion sensors can do more than just catch intruders entering your home. With the right placement and some strategy, these devices can keep kids and pets out of dangerous rooms and protect valuables hidden in plain sight. There's a variety of motion sensor types out there too. You can find simple sensors that alert you through an app when they sense activity, some with lights, some with cameras, and others with all three. And if you want more tips like these, like and subscribe to Safewise.com. So join us as we explore the best and worst places to put new motion sensors in your home. Whether it's your kids coming home from school or an uninvited guest, people tend to take the easiest way in when they come into your home. Setting up motion sensors in your entryway or hallway will tip you off to someone coming or going. But you might not want an alert every time someone walks through a high traffic area like this. The good news is you can adjust the settings within the motion sensor app. Set it for times of the day when no one's around, or turn it off at night when you know everyone's home. By placing a motion sensor high in the corner of a room, you're more likely to catch activity in the hard-to-reach angles and from far away. And when placed in the corner of your kitchen, living room, or any other public area, you might be able to catch multiple rooms at once. Placing a motion sensor over your doorways will show when someone exits, enters, or passes by. You don't need a motion sensor over every single door, but if you're worried about your kids snooping in your room or playing in the garage unsupervised, it's a good idea. If a determined intruder can't get in through your back or front entrance, they might try the basement. Adding a simple motion sensor to your basement, especially if it's unused, can tip you off to anything suspicious. When the sensor goes off, you'll know that there's something going on. Do you have a home safe or valuables you want to protect? A motion sensor can reveal any activity nearby. Now here's where to not put motion sensors. These devices detect motion, but they won't do you much good if they're blocked or damaged. So keep large objects like furniture out of the sensor's path. Many motion sensors come with a companion app or as part of a larger system. If you're having trouble with the motion sensor, you can adjust the settings to make it more or less sensitive. So in a sense, motion detectors are like T-Rexes. Not in the scary, toothy way, but more like the vision is based on movement kind of way. The important thing to remember while setting up motion sensors in your home is to give them range and visibility. If you have larger pets, they may set off the motion detector too. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. You can use a motion detector to keep Fido off the couch or out of the garbage. To learn more about motion detectors, check out our full reviews on Safewise.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Stay safe!